Friendship and friends. Generally, people desire to be with their friends. Especially, students do not take even food if they do not see their friends. We may not find people who do not have friends. Friendship of desirable people enables a person to improve his personality. Not only that, a friend is like a mirror to know your personality. A man is known by the company he keeps. One must be prudent in choosing his company as it has a great impact on him. One should avoid the company who induce habit forming practices and forbidden activities. Smoking, drinking of alcohol, usage of drugs, and such other bad habits begin in a company. We need not have too many friends. Have just a few friends whom you have properly trusted over a course of time. A true friend is the most precious of all possessions and the one we take the least. Generally, friends help one another in many ways. They even correct where necessary. They share personal belongings. Sometimes they give financial assistance when one is in need. A friend in need is a friend indeed. One can develop his personality into inner and outer by the influence of friends. Friends can be a source of self esteem, affection, and good times. Making friends, especially from student life, is the instinct in every human. Making friendship is simple and easy, but how to maintain and develop is rather important. Gossiping about friends may ruin friendship. Friendship definitely strengthens and deepens through doing and sharing experiences. As Gandhiji said, adversity is the crucible in which friendship is tested. An English author gives a clue to test out if a new friend can be trusted. Leak out an important secret and see if it is kept or shared. That will give a clue as to whether your friend can be trusted with a significant secret at another time. No doubt, friends are essential, but you must be choosy. Always choose a friend of good character. Be prudent about friends' confidences. Friendship could develop because of common interests like literature, sports, or music, so there is no age limit while making friendship. A student need not have a student only for a friend. Once you like a company, would like to get closer. If you want to develop real friendship, become genuinely interested in other people. Give honest and sincere appreciation when a friend of you gets success. Few hints given below may be followed. True friendship is priceless. So choose right friends. Right friends can help you till our old age. Honesty should be one of the qualities of friendship. Be honest. Friends should be truthful with each other about their experiences, feelings, and views. Be truthful. Let there be devotion to each other. The friendship should not end. Any wrong loving may abruptly ruin a friendship. Voltaire said, "Change your pleasure, but do not change your friends. Make new friends, but keep the old one. One is silver and the other is gold." Friendship can also be maintained by talking over phone when friends are far off. Do not get into bad company. Once you get into a bad company, it is impossible to come out. Bad friends exploit others for selfish purposes. Avoid bad friends. Do not criticize, condemn a friend instead of condemning. Try to understand him. To know all is to forgive all.